Hey everyone, in this video I will teach you how you can use Express VPN. Open your App Store or Play Store. In the search bar, type Express VPN and search. Now, select the Express VPN's official app. Download and install. Once the app is installed, open it. Tap Start Free Trial or Sign Up. Enter your email address and create a password. Choose a subscription plan, monthly or annual as per your need. As you can see here, for monthly you don't have free trial benefit and you will need to pay nearly $14 and $136 per year with 7 days free trial. Buy whatever plan you want. Without subscription, you can't enter into app's interface. Now once you enter into the app, you will be asked to grant permissions. Allow all the permissions. Now tap the large power button to connect the smart location, which is fastest server app chooses automatically. To choose a specific location, tap the three dots or location picker icon. Select a country or city from the list. Wait a few seconds for the connection to establish. Once connected, your internet is encrypted and private. You can access geo-restricted content, example streaming services or websites. To disconnect, tap the power button again.